Water is critical to all life on Earth, but it's one of our most imperiled natural resources.
Miami and South Florida, the world is watching. I mean, we are the first place that's going to face the full weight of climate change, sea level rise, and an ever-growing human population. We are the focal point, and we clearly have very huge challenges right in front of us.
The Everglades ecosystem is incredibly dynamic in space and in time.
Well, at FIU, we have the talent, the desire, the location, and the collaborative spirit needed to solve big problems facing the Everglades.
I love working at a university because I can work with students who can affect that future even more than I can.
With every year that we move forward, we collect more data, better data, and our predictions and our knowledge of what's driving the water balances are getting better and better.
We're using cutting-edge technology like virtual reality to bring the Everglades and Everglades science to the public and decision makers so we can immerse them in the environment and see what impact their decisions are going to have. Solving the challenges here in South Florida can be a model for the rest of the world. If we get it right here, we can transfer that information and make a huge impact.